channel. So today we are going to be making facial masks. I have 3 that I will be making. Turmeric mask. We have that will be for dark spots, hyperpigmentation, scarring acne, stuff like that. And then we have our dry skin facial mask that is for eczema, psoriasis, just winter time dry skin, whatever dry skin issues that you do have. And then we do have our last one here. It'll be our beauty mask. The beauty mask is just a mask for if you're not really having an issue at this moment with your skin, but you will like to have a mask for a facial session. So that would be for if you just want to keep your face up. So your regular, you just want to have like a spa day. There's nothing really wrong with your skin. It will just keep your skin tight. It will keep it fresh. Stuff here. I'm going to use my notes and stuff like that to help me out. I have everything here together. I have my clays, all my powders. I have all my powders here. Organic turmeric. I have my red clay. I have my neem powder. I have my green tea powder. And I also have my I can never say it right. Kaolin Clay. Have that here. So we are going to go ahead and get started. I will not tell you guys my exact measurements. You can look, because I am recording this video. So you are welcome to look, to see what we put in our products and so on. But I will not give you exact measurements because I do sell this stuff and I do not need you all to copy the exact measurements that I have for my recipe, for my products. If you would like this if you would like this mask, I will leave my website in the description box. So this is like my first time doing bulk, and I realized that I still need tons more powder to make the jars that I wanted to do. So that's why you see me like fill up some of my jars, and then some of them I not even do. And as you can see, how the jars that I had already, I barely was able to fill those up. So this is just a learning process. I didn't know that I would need tons more powder to fill up these 4-ounce jars here. So later I did have to go get more so I could fill up the rest of the jars. And also I did do powder form because it's lighter to sell in powder form. And then also it will last you way longer. So this is a way for me to stay away from any preservatives. I didn't want to add any preservatives, so that is why I am doing powder form. So what you would do is, when you do get an order of the powder facial mask, what you would do is, at home you will use a spoon, a plastic spoon, and a plastic bowl. You will at least need 1 tablespoon of powder. You will have a choice of mixture of apple cider vinegar. You could do just plain warm water, or you could do honey. I like to do honey because honey helps me. Honey helps my facial mask to penetrate more into my skin, because once the honey is on your skin, it helps the honey starts to warm up, and it penetrates deeply into your pores. So that's why I like to use honey for when I apply my mask, which you could choose what you want from the choices that I did give you. Also, you can use your rose water toners or any of that stuff if you have that also on hand. The reason I say that you do not want to mix up your clays with anything metal is because it will take away from the activation of your clay mask. So no, do not use a metal utensil or a metal bowl. Only use plastic utensils and plastic bowls. That's for those if you are making the product to sell, and those of you who are at home trying to mix the product up to use. Do not use metal utensils. I see other YouTubers, when they do this, they use metal utensils. Do not use that at all for those who are at home and for those who are making these products. Can our facial mask be used on the hair? Yes, it can. Why? Because all of our powders that we did use in the video today are very beneficial to the hair and to the skin. We did use neem powder, green tea powder, turmeric powder, kaolin clay, and French red clay. All those are beneficial to the hair and to the scalp. You may look up each powder to get the benefits of each powder and of each clay. They're very beneficial. They're very high in nurturing our hair and our skin. I will leave our website down below for you to look at our website and for you to purchase if you would like to purchase these. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Please leave us a like and a subscribe. And have a great day.